Good afternoon, everybody. This video is going to cover two things. One, root rot isn't necessarily brown. It can affect the white roots of the plant as well. And two, I want everyone to notice this passion did have root rot several months ago, and I just put it in a cup, a solid cup, set it beside the windowsill so it didn't get direct light, and it formed all these beautiful roots the whole way up the stem. So if you're growing passions or trying to save them from dying with root rot, this works. I'm going to tell you that people say the roots just come from the nodes or the bottom. That is not the case in this. And to cure this plant from the root rot, you just have to soak it in about 2 cups of water and probably a quarter of a drop of Dawn soap. And you just stir it up, let all these roots soak in that for about 10 minutes and rinse it off. I do this until all the slime is gone from the roots. It does work. You can save your plant. So just change the water before 7 days.